Here I have the Pokemon First Partner Accessory Bundle, and it comes with a playmat, deck box, and some card sleeves. It also comes with this very nice long storage box for you to store cards in. These are all the starter Pokemon for the first 8 generations, starting from Kanto all the way to Sinnoh, and then on the other side continues Unova all the way to Galar region. So we get the cool silhouettes on the sides, and then inside we get, ooh, this is a pretty large playmat, and the deck box, which should have the sleeves on the inside. So let's take a look at this playmat. It's a standard size card playmat, and it has a very nice picture. I really like how they decided to make all of the energy symbols gray, so it's not too like busy on the mat. But every once in a while they colored a few of them just to give some extra detail and color. And then obviously you have all of the 24 starters from the 8 regions. It's a very nice playmat. I'm actually loving it a lot more seeing it in person. And now we have a very nice and glossy. All of the Pokemon here have a nice little shine to them on this very nice looking deck box. I must say, this deck box looks extra nice. They took like the extra step to make all of these Pokemon printed on glossy. Same with all the energy symbols. You could just see them shine. That is very cool. This actually looks a lot nicer than you would expect. Even on the inside, so they basically double layered it. So you can see they printed all the Pokemon and energy twice. So it looks nice inside and outside. Yeah, no, this is actually really nice quality. And then inside we get sleeves and a deck divider. Nothing shiny on here, but you can get a slight glimpse how much busier the background would look if they added all the color. It still looks pretty nice with the design. I'm actually really enjoying the design choice. And looking at the sleeve, just a standard sleeve, and it's gray on the other side. So this is probably the item I care the least about. Funny enough, for deck sleeves, I find this a boring symbol. Maybe they should have made all of the symbols in color, because I think it would look nicer for deck sleeves if it was just really busy and colorful. The playmat, you play cards on top of it, so you don't really want the playmat to be that busy, so it's easier to see the cards. Since these sleeves kind of blend in with the playmat, the deck doesn't really look that nice. I guess my only opinion would have been, it would have been nice to see this fully colored, or a different picture, maybe have all the Pokemon on it instead. And to confirm, this is a pack of 65 sleeves, not 100. And this is the box. So you can imagine if you had your sleeved cards in here, there is a little bit of extra space, but definitely you can hold your sleeved cards, 700 plus sleeved cards, or your deck boxes of cards. I randomly have this Yu-Gi-Oh! Karibo deck box, easy to grab, and you can see you can just like start fitting all of your deck boxes into this bigger carrying box. Or if you want, you can just fit the rolled up playmats with one of your game decks to carry it around in this box instead. Yeah, so that's my quick unboxing of the Pokemon First Partner Accessory Bundle. Check out your local game shops. Some of these might have it on sale or at a reduced price, and it's definitely worth it for this large carrying box and the playmats. The deck box is actually not too shabby as well. Thanks for watching.